Hello everybody, got a tune-up report for you today for Matt in Micronesia. It's a RCI-2995DX, as you can see, and here's what we got going on. Okay Matt, let's put this on 10, 20, 30. I'm going to turn the power down. Let's put it on 10 watts across the top. Turn the power all the way down. Got you almost right at 10 there, because you wanted to have it. Yep. I'm going to go one more up to where it's 100 watts across the top. You see it's right about 10, and we're going to bring it all the way up. 50. Okay, and on the peak power, 250 watts log B reading power across the top scale, 100, and there's 150 right there. Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. And on sideband, audio check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio check, check, check. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And let's check it out on there. How about it, Channel 19? How's this radio getting out? Break. We hear you at the 595 truck stop, driver. 10-4 on the 595 truck stop. Sounding good up here, bro.
Copy.
That's my radio down at the truck stop, talking back to me. For one of ours, anyway. Yeah. All right. All right.